To get instant deposit on QuickBooks Online, follow this comprehensive guide. First, ensure you have a QuickBooks Payments account, as this feature is only available to users with an active account. If you don't have one, sign up for QuickBooks Payments and wait for your account to be approved. Once your account is approved, navigate to the QuickBooks Online dashboard and click on the Banking tab. From the drop-down menu, select Bank Transfers. Click on the Get Instant Deposits button to initiate the setup process. You will be prompted to link a debit card to your QuickBooks Payments account, which will be used to receive instant deposits. Enter your debit card information and confirm the details. QuickBooks will send a small verification deposit to your debit card, which you will need to confirm to complete the setup process. Once your debit card is verified, you can start receiving instant deposits. To receive an instant deposit, go to the Invoices tab and select the invoice you want to deposit. Click on the Get Paid button and select the payment method. Choose the Instant Deposit option and confirm the deposit amount. The funds will be transferred to your debit card instantly, minus a small fee. It is essential to note that instant deposits are subject to certain limits and fees. The maximum instant deposit limit is $25,000 per transfer, and a 1% fee applies to each transfer. Additionally, instant deposits are only available for debit cards and not for credit cards. To avoid any delays or issues, ensure that your debit card is active and has sufficient funds to cover the deposit amount. Also, be aware that instant deposits may be subject to your bank's processing times and may not be available immediately. In conclusion, getting instant deposit on QuickBooks Online is a straightforward process that requires a QuickBooks Payments account and a linked debit card. By following these steps and being aware of the limits and fees, you can start receiving instant deposits and improve your cash flow management.